What?
Oh, poor little thing. You're safe now. Shh, it's okay. I've got you.
Oh my God. Is this kitten dead? What are they doing with the kitten? It seems they're going to bury the kitten that just died. It seems the man is burying the kitten that died and praying for it. Thank you for helping bury the kitten. Thank you also to the little child and their older sibling for finding the kitten lying on the side of the road.
Share, comment, like,